Hi, it's Nina. Hello, welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp notification is not working. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on my WhatsApp account. Now, if you're getting a message but you're not notified, or there is no sound there, or there is a sound but now it's gone, or there is no sound at all, I'm gonna walk you through how to fix that problem. Well, the first thing we're gonna do is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. After that, tap on settings. Here, a list of options will appear. Now tap on notifications. This interface will appear. Now make sure this option, conversation tones, is turned on. So if this option is turned off, then you'll receive messages but with no sound. After that, tap on notification tone, then sounds, and here make sure to set it to default notification sound or choose one of these sounds. But if you set it to none, then you'll get messages but with no sound. So make sure to choose one of these. For example, I'll choose default notification sound. Then tap on OK. Another thing that you can do to fix that problem, swipe down from the right corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon to go to settings. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on notifications and control center. Then app notifications. And here look for WhatsApp. And make sure show notification is turned on. Now, if none of these things work, then go back and scroll all the way down again to apps option, then manage apps, look for WhatsApp, and then clear data, then tap on clear cache. Now confirm. And this is how to fix WhatsApp notification is not working. Thanks for watching. See ya.